Red is power.
Exactly.
Yeah, and you're red. You're powerful.
So cool
thank you so
Ready,
much.
Mr. Ru? Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Giving us power today. Machi machi. Thank you so much, Mr. Ru.
Thank you.
You're matching with your outfit.
Pero na naman,
The
isa.
power of red.
Of course. Always passion, powerful, and also like with like my heart and my country flag.
Oh,
That is
yeah.
Peru. So
What's your
สวยมาก
for today we have a photo for the sponsor for the hotel, and then we're gonna start doing the rehearsals. So that's exciting because tomorrow we have the swimsuit competition,
Oh,
and we are ready. So we're bringing our outfit for rehearsals, like gym coat and also bikinis. So it's time.
It's time. It's
People,
time.
it's time.
They will bring the fire on stage tomorrow.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun, right?
Oh my God, exciting. We're looking forward.